Hello everyone, welcome to Super Kids Parenting and Tender Years. We are doing a series of activity based phonic learning for the language development of the child, and today we are learning about how we can use oral phonetic analysis. When I say oral phonetic analysis, it is basically using the oral sounds. We are going to analyze the phonic sounds. The importance of this is like the child will know the alphabet is not about just about sounds. How we can articulate the sounds to make the words and use it in the day-to-day language. And it is about knowing around 45 sounds. So there is a series of 5 activities which has to be done one after the other. Word. So the third activity which goes in is identifying the last and first sound by 2 different children. So when we are talking about identifying the last and the first sound by 2 different children, again call out it is again a group activity. Call out a few children to a particular place, and then preparation, ground rules remain the same. Whomever the adult asks the question, only that child will answer. So the presentation is again with a few set of words. The adult has to decide in advance, a parent or a teacher. For example, gift. What did I say, Vijay? So the Vijay will answer the word gift. So which is the last sound you listen to when you say gift? T. So which is the first sound you listen to when you listen to in gift? Child replies G. So it is 2 different children will answer here. It has been asked to, last sound is asked for a separate child and the first sound is asked for a separate child. So continue doing the similar activity with other 2 children, calling 2 different children, giving the same word, asking the last sound and the first sound. If you are doing it in the home environment, you can do it with the same child also. But this requires the understanding of the last sound, first sound. A lot many repetitions would have gone in there. So again, identifying the first and the last sound. So when we say the invitation goes same, the ground rules also remains the same. Whoever the adult asks question, the child has to answer. So pan. What did I say, Pranav? So the child answers pan. Which is the first sound you listen to when you say pan? So the child says p. Which is the last sound you listen when you listen to pan? So the child replies So this way it is being done. And again a few more examples are given, calling again with the same child here again. Tap. What did I say, Vijay? What is the first sound you listen to when I say tap? The child replies as t. What is the last sound you listen? Is p. So it is p. Yes, it is p. So continue similarly with other kids also. So these are the series of activities which you do under oral phonetic analysis. 5 set of activities to be done in succession. The order has to be followed. So first is about identifying the last sound. The second is about identifying the first sound. This can be done as a middle sound also as a third activity. Fourth one is 2 different the last sound and first sound by 2 different children. Then again you can give an activity of first sound and the last sound by 2 different children, and finally by the same child, last and the first sound. So in the school environment you can call 2 different set of children and do this activity. At home environment you can do it directly with your child. So sufficient number of repetitions you can give with different words using this oral phonetic analysis. Hope you have understood the activity, how it has to be carried out. Thank you for watching this video.